particular brand, but there's one important thing that I do recommend when you do purchase a screen protector. Now in the description below, I've got a link to this actual screen protector I like to use. So feel free to purchase one through Amazon.com. Now, the most important thing about these screen protectors is that if you look at your iPhone X or XS range model, you'll see that they're kind of different from the other phones. Now, what I mean by that is that you've got this curved glass, and the curved glass makes it a bit more exposed for when you do drop it on, for example, the bottom, the corner, the top, any direction. Dropping it flat on the face and most of the time actually is fine with the phone. But what people find is that when they do drop it on the corner, even when you do have a screen protector, it does tend to actually have weak points. Now, obviously you want to put a case in it. That does help, but when you're spending nearly $2,000, or that's what we nearly spend here in Australia on a phone, you want to protect it in every possible way, and spending that extra few dollars for a good screen protector really does help. So, as I said in the description below, this is where you can find it. Now, if you do end up ordering it, like this video, because right now I'm going to show you how to put it on. So when you do get it in, you'll be able to come back to this video and actually put it on. So first thing is, most kits that they do have an alcohol swab. What you want to do is you want to make sure that the top of the front of the glass of the phone is actually really clean. If it isn't, you've got oil from your fingers and stuff like that, and therefore the actual new screen protector won't go and stick onto your phone as it should. Most of them will have this dust rag. These are great because they don't have any type of lint or anything that falls off. You'll have a dust removal sticker, so after you do clean it, sometimes you can see little bits of dust, and you need to really make sure you remove them because it will affect how your actual screen protector goes in. And this is just simply a little squeegee type thing where you can just push the new screen down. Sorry, I got a dry throat. Now, first things first is we get an alcohol swab. If they don't come with this, of the one you get, you can just use isopropyl alcohol or any type of alcohol, and that'll help. Make sure you use a rag that has no lint on it. And you just rub it around like so. Now make sure you get the edges. Hopefully I've got this I've got a secondary camera here, guys, so I'll show you how I get this done. Now you get your lint-free cloth, and you wipe everything down. Put your hand underneath it, and you want to get on the edges. You want to get everywhere because you don't want any type of dust remaining at all. Okay, I want to put that down. And finally, you probably can't see it through the camera, but I can see visually. The best way to do is just try and get as low to the actual glass as you can and see what bits of dust are still on there. Now, the great thing about these stickers usually is that the adhesive isn't too, how should I say, sticky. So if you were to use, say, a piece of sticky tape, it would be a lot more difficult. Now, the most important part is what we do is we get our replacement or our screen protector and we remove it from its backing. we do is just double check that there's no more bits of dust anywhere, which there are because I was opening it over. And then you just put and align the glass screen protector in position. Once again, very difficult to be doing this while on camera, but you'll be able to see the lines and where they do align. And you can use your squeegee and you slowly work down from one side to another side. It's really that simple. The great thing is with these thick glass screen protectors or tempered glass screen protectors, the really good thing is that they actually are a lot easier to put on than say the thinner ones. So just remember that you know, you are patient when you do this. As I said, most brands that a lot of people do buy, that you do see on Amazon and eBay, are good, that have good feedback obviously, but you need to make sure that it does have a curve, and then if it does have a curve, it will protect it a bit better. So as you can see, I just saw a little bubble, and if you do see any little bubbles, you just push it out slowly. Once again guys, please like, please subscribe, and I'll be putting some more videos that'll help you in the future. Cheers, thank you, bye.